You searched how to buy shares of Australian Ethical Investment Ltd. Australian Ethical Investment Ltd is an Australian manager focused on ethical and sustainable investments, trading on CBOE AUS under the ticker AEF.ASX. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. You will need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can buy shares. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker AEF.ASX to locate Australian Ethical Investment Ltd. Choose the matching result to open the stock overview page. On the stock page, check the company summary and the price chart to confirm this is Australian Ethical Investment Ltd. Verify the ticker AEF.ASX and that the listing matches CBOE AUS. To place an order, click Buy or Invest. Enter the amount you want to invest and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be queued for the next market session, and if there are insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before finalizing the purchase. After the trade, your new position will be visible in your portfolio. A link to eToro is provided in the description if you want to follow the same example.